Now it came with a large 8.8-inch command screen just like the C-Class or GLC ones. However, it's just like them, it did not come with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so the customer hours just wanted to install Apple CarPlay, which will give him more benefit in terms of the navigation and the message wise. So now it's all the assembly and the installation procedure is pretty much done. Now the CarPlay system we use is currently the wired one, so it's not wireless. It uses the USB cable between the CarPlay and the iPhone. So having said that, there's a currently iPhone being connected to the USB cable, which is hidden inside the dash, goes through underneath towards the audio head unit. Now there's a iPhone there, currently being connected. Let's close this from her. Now, in order to access Apple CarPlay on the same screen, all you have to do is press and hold the return button that is located on the control panel. So when you press and hold the return button, the screen switches to CarPlay straight away. I'll just adjust the brightness. Now from there, every time you move around the control dial, it follows your action as well. With the voice command through the Siri, you can either say "Hey Siri," which will pick up your voice and go to the voice command section straight away. Otherwise, you can just press and hold up the white menu button. So when you push and hold it, take me to nearest petrol station.
The closest one I found is Woolworths Caltex on Wellington Road. Does that one sound good?
Yes.
Getting directions to Woolworths Caltex. In 150 meters, turn left onto Garden Road.
As you can see, once the voice command is done, it will execute the command with the apps that's designated for it. So in this case, it's use the Apple Map, but down the track, once there's new apps being released, such as Google Map or Waze, which those will be added in iOS 12, I believe, then you can use those apps and they will provide the same result as well. The CLS came with 2 USB ports for media purpose. Pretty sure most of the Merc these days do come with the USB ports instead of the old-fashioned auxiliary or multimedia input. So when you just press the play,
are you drunk enough now to judge what I'm doing?
as you can see, the music plays to the entire car speakers, whether your car has a Burmester system or Harman Kardon or Bang & Olufsen. It will connect to the car speaker system, and any sound you make to the CarPlay will display to the screen, and the sound wise will play to the car speakers. So one of the questions we've been frequently asked was whether we have to switch back to the factory screen to see the parking assistant camera, and the answer is no. So we are currently in the CarPlay mode, and the CLS got a 360 camera installed. So when you put the car in reverse, the screen goes to the camera side straight away, and you probably just seen like the blink of the screen switches, which show the factory's command screen for a sec, and goes to camera. And that's literally the factory camera being installed. We haven't changed anything. So, and when you put the car back to parking, goes to CarPlay straight away.